Let's see the chicken. First, you gotta open the lock. And how do we do that, you ask? Oh, it's easy. You just gotta. Oopsies. You just gotta. Oh, sorry. Sorry, bro. I think I scared him. Hey, bro. How you doing? Pluck, 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 pluck. Oh shoot. You good, bro? I think we should do the top opening, actually. I think we should do the top opening. I don't want little bro escaping. Hello. There we go. It's locked in place. Don't fall. And why would it fall, you guys ask? I don't know. Bruh. It's broken now. Oh shoot. Okay, bye-bye. And here we have the water thingy. Now to switch the water, you just gotta press down and pull it. Right here, you just gotta see this thing right here. Like that, and then get it, and then boom, shoop. And this door opens the same one as this one. You just gotta pop like that. Look. Oh my god, bro's freaking out again. His chicken coop. I don't know why he's freaking out so much. But yeah, that's how it is. And then now I gotta lock it. Okay, locked. Bro, can you stop freaking out? You act like you're gonna die, bro. Probably thinks he is. But in reality, he's not. Hi, bro. Oh my god, stop freaking out. I'm right here, bro. What are you freaking out about? And that's basically the chicken coop. And this is his water right here. It has like a little ducky in there, so you can know, yeah, I guess, like move around the water. Right there you can see is where the water goes in. And should we put him down there? I don't know. Let's see if he even wants to. So let's put him in. Oh my god! Oh my god. That's the chicken coop, I guess. Better get out. Oh my god.